is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the Mesquite Police Department. The Mesquite Department is searching for Nyla Crockett, a black female, 8 months old, with brown hair and brown eyes. Police are also looking for Chenario Crockett, a black female, 30 years old, 5'6", 172 pounds, with brown hair, brown eyes, believed to be wearing a gray shirt, blue jeans with brown or black boots. That's in connection with her abduction. Law enforcement officials believe the child may be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Mesquite Police Department. The contact person is at 972-216-6241. Again, 972-216-6241, or simply call 911. We now resume our normal programming.
Knocked it out.